For the moment, many thanks. With people facing extreme difficulty in booking vaccine slots on the CoWIN portal, many in Bengaluru are instead booking slots not in town but nearby districts to be able to get a jab. Nagarjun Dwarkanath brings us this report.
Karnataka is facing severe vaccine shortage. Long lines, hours of waiting are a common sight at vaccination centers. Bengaluru too is facing a severe shortage of vaccine supplies. More and more Bengalurians, primarily in the 18 to 44 age group, are now heading to nearby districts for inoculation. There are only 4 to 5 government hospital centers allotted for first dose for 18 to 44 and an average of 150 jabs per day. With no option left, vaccine migration has begun in the city.
ಗುಡಿಬಂಡೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ವ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿನ್ಗೆ ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟ್ರೇಷನ್ಗೆ ಬಂದಿರೋದು ಕಡಿಮೆ ಜನ, ಓನ್ಲಿ 4-5 ಜನ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಿಂದ ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟ್ರೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಆ ಥರ ಆದರೆ ಇದು ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಕ್ಕೆಲ್ಲ ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಬ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿರೋದು, ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಡೆಯೂ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಸೇರಲಿ ಅಂತ ವ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿನ್ ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಬ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿರೋದು. ಇವಾಗ ವ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿನ್ ಶಾರ್ಟೇಜ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇದೆ. ನಿನ್ನೆ 3.5 ಲಕ್ಷ ವ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿನು ಕರ್ನಾಟಕಕ್ಕೆ ಬಂದಿದೆ.
The skewed digital divide is the main reason. While tech-savvy Bengalurians with laptops and smartphones end up getting vaccine slots 70 to 100 kilometers away. The locals who walk in are being sent back as the slots are full.
The CoWIN site has APIs publicly available, and there are many people who have used these APIs to alert other people that slots have opened up. So the moment 100 vaccination slots are open up for a PIN code, everyone gets an alert on these groups and books them instantaneously. So 100 slots get booked in like 10-20 seconds. And I think the government needs to fix this and make the distribution of vaccine more equitable.
ಆನ್ಲೈನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇಡೀ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ರಾಜ್ಯಕ್ಕೆ ಸಂಬಂಧಪಟ್ಟಂತೆ ನೋಂದಣಿ ಪ್ರಕ್ರಿಯೆ ಆಗ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ವಾ? ನೋಂದಣಿ ಪ್ರಕ್ರಿಯೆ ಆಗ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು ಇಡೀ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ವಾ?
The government is yet to act on the burden being faced by vaccine centers in rural areas. Deputy Chief Minister Ashwath Narayan said he would verify the report immediately.
Once the first come first serve basis, the whoever is reserved or booked it online, the first come first basis whoever is registered online, they get the priority. We can verify whether it has been allocated to different districts. The people from Bangalore go to different places. We need to verify.
People from Bangalore are also keen on taking vaccine in rural areas because that will allow them to travel the 70-80 kilometer distance and they can enjoy the drive during the lockdown. Government also has allowed this vaccine travel with bare minimal proof. Nagarjun Dwarkanath for India Today.
So the decision to allow all adults to get vaccinated is leading to massive challenges almost across the country. People are unable to book slots. They are being turned away from centers despite having booked a slot. Let's take a look at the ground reality, and this isn't restricted just to any one town or one city in the country.
It's day 2 of the vaccination drive, Karnataka, where mass vaccination is currently underway for all those 18 and above age group. And here's a huge queue, the lines that you see here. Unfortunately, it's a bumpy start today as well. Many of their registration hasn't really happened clearly. I'm going to try and check if people have got their appointments.
No, I didn't get the appointment, but yesterday I had come here. They said you can walk in directly, you'll get a token and you can get the vaccine.
Did they say that?
Yes.
Oh my God, this is precisely the confusion that's happening. The officials here are actually directing people that if you're waiting here long enough, then we'll see if we can accommodate you.
No, I didn't get my appointment, I get my registration ID.
Okay.
So they are creating confusion since morning.
And
They
how long
changed
have
their
you been
statement 10 times, I think.
How long have you been waiting?
Since morning 8 o'clock, I'm standing over here.
So there are who managed to get their time slot, but many of them who haven't. And it's a request going out, an appeal. If not for the authorities, I think a media channel like ours could be conveying this message to people in Bengaluru. If you don't have your appointment, don't end up, because first of all, it's ironic that a vaccination drive is happening at a hospital, which is already looked at as a hotspot. And then you have huge crowds and lines here, all the more contributing to this menace. Let's just hope this doesn't become a super spreader event. With camera person Pawan Kumar, this is Nabila Jamal for India Today, Bengaluru.
As the number of coronavirus cases are coming down in the city of Mumbai,
this brings a huge relief. But many people are questioning that BMC is testing very low. When we spoke to BMC officials, they clearly said that they are not hiding any testing and they are not even reduce any testing. They say as the COVID cases are coming down and therefore testing has gone down. Now speaking about the vaccination, Maharashtra government is speaking to many foreign vaccine suppliers like Sputnik and Pfizer. They are dealing and negotiating that maximum doses can be brought for Maharashtra. Now they are also planning that vaccination can be started at building societies and at workplaces. But the bigger question is where these vaccines will come from. Now Maharashtra government is also discussing about lockdown. Now whether the lockdown will be increased is a big question, but sources in the state government are telling us that lockdown will be increased for another 15 days, but some restriction will be lifted. With camera person Rakesh Salaskar, this is Saurabh Bhaktania in Mumbai for India Today.
We are in the times of lockdown, but you can see the situation right here, just outside a vaccination center at Indirapuram in Ghaziabad. There are long queues and hardly any social distancing can be seen here. And the biggest problem is that authorities are not telling anyone that what kind of rules will be followed to get vaccinated. Hence, there are senior citizens, other gentlemen who are coming for 18 to 44 years, are between 18 to 44 years and are coming for vaccination. They are also not clear about the regulations, that what kind of regulations will be followed. आप लोगों को कब से खड़ा रखना पड़ा?
1 घंटा हो गया हमें।
कुछ बताया जा रहा है होगा कि नहीं होगा?
कुछ नहीं बताया, कुछ नहीं बताया।
So no one is here to tell them that what and when the vaccination process will start, what kind of mismanagement you can see.
This is not mismanagement, this is a mess. You can see there is no management at all. हमारी मजबूरी ये है कि वैक्सीन कहीं और अवेलेबल नहीं है, अदरवाइज हम तो पैसे देके लगाने के लिए तैयार हैं, या जितने मर्जी पैसे ले लीजिए पर हमारे सेफली लगा दीजिए। ये कोई तरीका है?
क्या दिक्कत हो रही है?
3 दिनों से परेशान हो रही है। नहीं लगानी है तो आप बता दो, हमें पैसों की लगवाने की सुविधा देनी चाहिए, और पहले हमने पैसों की लगवा ली नहीं, अब आप पैसों की सुविधा दो जिससे हम लगवा लें। हमें ये क्या रोज के आते हैं घर को छोड़ करके नहीं परेशान होते हैं।
कितने दिनों से आ रही हैं?
3 दिनों से आ रहे हैं।